How's it going, guys? I figured I'd make a quick little tutorial on how I clean up knives. Now I just bought some knives, and this was one of the ones in the auction lot. It's a Schrade Plus USA LB7. Let's see that or not. But if you look, it's got a bunch of glue on the blade. It don't bother me. But the tarnishing on the brass bolsters is pretty heavy. So people use Barkeeper's Friend. I do too, but I'm out. But if you don't have that, you really don't need it. If you want to knock that stuff off of there because it's bothering you, it's pretty easy to do. All you're going to need, some soap, a rag, and I use WD-40. I do have some soap in a spray bottle to get it wet, but we'll just dive right into it. So here's your before. I'll start on this one here. Just a little bit of soapy water, and this is kind of an abrasive rag, got a little texture to it. I'll go back and take some Barkeeper's Friend or even some rubbing compound and really get these things cleaned up. But actually I might do the rubbing compound right now. This is an extra step you do not have to do, but it works. They don't hurt nothing. Now these aren't museum style knives. I don't have to worry about little micro scratches. All my knives are going to be used or borrowed or given away or something. So if you're worried about little micro scratches, don't use rubbing compound. But these knives have already been used. They already got little nicks and dings and stories in them, so that's completely fine with me. The rubbing compound will really grab that tarnish and everything. There you go. Just a quick clean up on your old knife. They already had a pretty good edge on it, but I just touch that up quick. So I'll leave this out before I put it back in the sheath, just to make sure any water or anything gets right out of there. But I mean, it's a pocket knife. They're used to the water and everything, but a lot better than it was before. There you go, guys. Have a good one.